Hello everyone and welcome back to Sew Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to attach a flat waistband on a skirt. So let's go ahead and get started. I assume you already have your waistband. So this waistband is 4 inches wide. So the waistband that I have here is just slightly longer than the actual skirt waistline. So basically, I am going to match the right sides of the fabrics together. As you can see here, I trim up quite a bit. I like it like that because it's so much easier to trim off a fabric than not having enough. And I am going to sew along the top edge of the fabric, and I am following a 3/8 inch seam allowance. As I get closer to the zipper teeth, I kind of slow down a little bit so I don't break the needle. Next, I fold the seam allowance just like this, and I'm going to iron it. After that, I am going to match the right sides together. Then I am going to stitch along the edge here as close to the waistline as possible, and I will repeat the same steps on the other end of the waistband. I match the right sides of the fabrics and stitch close along here. After I've sewn the ends of the waistband, I'm going to trim off the excess fabrics. I'm also going to clip the corner of the waistband, so when I turn the fabric right side out, I'm going to have a nice sharp corners. I also trim this off. This is the dart area because there are so many layers of fabrics here, so I just want to get rid of extra bulkiness along the waistline. I am going to fold it in, encasing the raw edges of the waistline inside the waistband. So you just want to make sure that it is covering the first stitching that we made earlier. After that, I am going to press the waistband so it is so much easier to work with. After I press the waistband, as you can see, I didn't have to use the clips anymore, and the skirt or the waistband is looking beautiful already. After that, I am going to sew the seam right here. I put a few pins just to make sure that it's going to catch the fabric at the back. And then I'm just going to stitch along as close to the seam as possible. I am also using a longer stitch length to copy the industrial denim look. Basically, you just want to carefully sew along the edges just because this is a finishing stitches and it's going to show up if it's messy, so you want it to be as beautiful as possible. Also being careful along the edge here because there are so many layers of fabrics. And there you have it. This is the finished waistband. Isn't it beautiful? If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't hesitate because I post new sewing tutorials every week. Thank you so much for watching again, and if you haven't clicked the notification bell, please do so. You will get notified whenever I post a new one. And I will see you soon, my loves. Bye!